let's talk about selling an experience. Barnes & Noble creating an experience for its customers when it partnered up with Starbucks. Sure, you can go to Barnes & Noble and buy a book, but being able to stop and have a coffee offers the chance to browse through many books. All of a sudden, you're buying 3 books, not just one. Starbucks is a marketing genius when it comes to experience. They have comfy couches, they've got music, free Wi-Fi, hello, and a lot more. But they create an environment for people to meet, chat, and most importantly, work. Students and working professionals have used Starbucks as their meeting place to brainstorm and collaborate. The result? Millions of dollars in coffee and book sales. And Barnes & Noble is, of course, just an example, as many bookstores now around the world caught on this trend and partnered up with other coffee chains to offer a similar experience. So how can you create an experience online and in social channels where there's no couches and music? Well, every business is different and doesn't always require all social channels to communicate to its customer base. But if you are a storyteller, you can use all of them effectively. It requires creativity and imagination and a strong understanding of your customer. Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram are 3 social channels that are great for storytelling. Now, how do you use them? Let's go through some of the generic do's and don'ts of Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram.